Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. For those who haven't been here before, my name's Anna and it is a very rainy day. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind out there, but it's a miserable day. When Lila's decided to leave her stuff all in my bed. Ta-da! You can stay because you're cute. I was trying to look for the best angle so you couldn't see how messy my room was, but it's just, I'm just going to embrace it. So this is Belle. Say hello. She's been really poorly with kennel cough, but she seems to be much better today. So I've been resting her up, and now I think she's desperate to get out there for a walk. So I'm going to see how she goes. Morning, Belle Belle. Want to go walkies? Look at that rain, and look at the beautiful Patty. I'm not even bothering to do my hair, the state of that weather out there. Okay, Belle. So I think my plan is go and walk with Belle, get drenched and have a Tim Hortons coffee to reward myself afterwards. Okay, Belle is super excited. I'm going to do a walk that I really like, but I haven't done it. Oh, I've never done it with Belle because it's a cycle path, but usually there's so many cyclists down there, it's not a great place to walk. But because it's absolutely pouring down, hopefully it'll be a bit quieter. And it's so windy too. Okay. Does anyone else's dog like to pee or poop in a puddle? Because Belle does. No stickies. Okay, I'm soaked. I've just found out my jacket is not waterproof. Oh. It's not cold though, and the rain, just where it's hitting the ground, it does smell amazing. It smells, I don't know, like proper summertime, but with rain. Okay, so that's almost washed my contact lens out. It came down really heavy then, and I'm soaked through. Belle doesn't mind though. Okay, so change of plan, exciting news. I've just had a message from Lila's dad, who's obviously been rained off work, and we're going to go for breakfast, maybe to Toby Carvery. So breakfast was not the best. I don't know if anyone else has had this experience, probably. So every time I go to Toby Carvery for breakfast, you need to get there early, otherwise it's not that great. And we got there half an hour before it closed. And they didn't have any of the Yorkshire puddings. Not that I was really fussed about that, but no mushrooms, and everything had just been hanging around for a while. So it wasn't the best breakfast, but anyway, full up now. And I'm just gonna brave running into the Co-op. It is horrendous. Yeah. Right, show us all your drawing.
1 minute ago. Oi.
Yeah. Ready? 1 minute sugar. Hoi.
Beautiful. Look at this lovely double
I know, mine's so chunky.
I am Rosalina. What?
You done me for a star. What am I?
Morning everyone. Well, not that it's morning, it's about 1:30 actually. So just left the house and dropped Lila to a car park where she's gonna go to an escape room party, which I've been really looking forward to. So I thought I'd give Belle a walk while it's dry. Can't believe it's July and just been raining so hard all the time, but it is actually dry, although a bit windy now. So yeah, a bit of a loose end, gonna walk the dog and then get some shopping. No idea where it's come from, never used it before, but it's very good. Whoa! Windy! So, just taking note of the sheep over there, but I know my dog and she's only interested in the ball, but I have got the lead just in case she wants to give a little chase. They're like, whoa, back up! It's a nice big space, it's huge actually, goes right in there. For dog walking, horse riding. I mean, you probably can't actually hear me because it's so windy. I think Belle's worn out. It was a good run, but she had enough in the end. She ran away with her ball.
Hey, Jess!
It's Plum today.
Eden Project.
So today we are at the Eden Project. I've not been here for years. Hey, I've just got you in. Hey. It's absolutely pouring, so we've decided to stop for coffee and cake. Well, I have. Lila's got an ice cream. This definitely wasn't here before when I came, and it is nice and cool. So, well, there's a drinking fountain in here too, should you need it. Every family that's bought a ticket, or every person that's bought a ticket, they've then decided to give them a free ticket, which is why me and you are going, because our friends bought tickets. And
my best friend.
Yeah, so it was very kind.
Okay.
So currently we finished work, it's Lina's last day at school. It's about 7:30, or it's 8 in the evening, and we're finally on our way. In 300 meters. Set fire to a car in a field. Anyway, we're at Leapalooza, and it is tipping it down.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up take car to Libas because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of